Right, well, this wall here now, Michael. The end wall's coming and that one's coming as well, isn't it?
The whole lot's got to come out, yeah, so it's all open.
Right, we're going to...
That's not being held up by anything, look. And it's not just plaster, it's like them thin bricks or tile, terracotta thin bricks. Yeah. So that's going to make a right mess when it drops.
We're going to put some scaffold up there, take it from the top. If you take it from the bottom, it's going to go whoosh and just smash the stairs and everything. So we've got to
it don't matter as long as if it breaks the floorboards a bit, they've got to be replaced anyway.
But it's too much weight to let it go, Mike. You've got to take it down from the top.
Right, okay. Right, well, goggles, hard hats, gloves, dust mask. It's going to be a bit dusty, isn't it?
Yeah.
Got them. Right, let's get to it then. Cut.
Right, we're taking scaffolding up.
Yeah.
Scaffolding? Do we need scaffolding?
Yeah.
How high is it?
Take it down from the top.
It's too high.
Can't we just pick it over that wall into the room and smash onto the floorboards? They got to be replaced anyway.
Yeah, it's dangerous, Michael. Let's smash. They could knock that.
That's a lot of weight there. Down. Might lose your staircase.
And not only that, I'll use the beams and all.
I won't use leading beams.
There is only sitting on that. Look. Let's do it safely.
Yeah.
Okay. Right.
Just mind this board. It's only just resting on that, and it will come down like a guillotine.
Look, because it's wobbly. Look, it's not safe.
Put some what's names up it.
It's got a. What?
Put some timbers up it.
Scaffold board. What is it? Should have done this when we took out the bloody ceiling, but that I have no idea how that's held up. There's nothing underneath it to support it. That wall, and it probably weighs. God knows what it weighs. You wouldn't want that dropping on your head. Be careful, Dad, because he's pulling this wall up.
Sorry, it's down.
That'll go straight on his head. Once it goes, it's going to go. There's nothing going to stop it.
No, that's why I put this scaffold up there first, and we put that board back.
All right.
It won't damage it.
See that wall, this wall here, it's at the back of the at the top of the staircase. It's a brick wall, only thin bricks, but it's not being supported by anything. It's just attached here and here, so that's got to go because it's got. If it drops on someone's head, like it's not safe. There's no way you can just support it, and this whole wall wobbles back and forth like that. It's not safe. So this will probably be replaced at a later date, but I'll replace it with just like a tongue and groove wooden wall. So it's very lightweight. It's not putting much weight on the beams and things like that. I want the heat from the Arga to come up here, so the less wall, the better.
If it comes down in one lump, there's so much weight in that, Michael.
I thought it'd be quite fun to push it over.
You wanted a bit of camera magic.
I wanted a bit of dramatic footage from your vlog, yeah.
You want the ladder to get up on it.
Look at the state of this floor. It's like goes down here, uphill here.
That's what I mean.
Hopefully the new floorboards will go on quite level.
We're gonna get
these are only pine, aren't they?
Yeah.
I'll try. When we rip it up, we'll try and salvage some of these. If they're not rotten, they can be used to tongue and groove the bathroom or something up to waist height. If you've got enough of them.
Nice firewood.
Well, yeah, burn it, yeah. If it's got a woodworm, burn it. Right. And we just knocking it down straight onto it?
Yeah, knock it this way, don't knock it that way because it damages the stairs.
quite dramatic. Want it to be dramatic or? A bit
Yeah, go
more
on, dramatic, yeah, go on.
Right, I think we better unload it this way. I don't want to damage the stairs.
No.
It knocks them boards off.
Yes, yeah, bring it back this way.
We'll take it this way, yeah?
Yeah. Ready, ready. Lovely bit of oak.
Well, I'll keep that door, it's a nice one, I can use it. Although I think it's a bit warped.
Loads of doors, that's good.
Well, the size of the plate looks huge up here now.
Don't walk under here yet.
Oh, look, I was going to get something thrown back that way. There's loads of them bricks.
Sorry, yeah.
Don't go through there, Sean.
Quick way down. You want it dramatic?
Well, it's definitely dramatic. Well done, Sean.
When you walk up the stairs, people can just look into your bedroom.
Well, who's going to walk up here? I'm
Could
living
be
here by
anybody.
myself.
When you come to bed early, because someone's got the television going downstairs, you can't sleep.
Oh, turn it off. My house.
My house, my rules.
That's it. This wall can be blown there. That's got to come off. But here's alright, I think I can keep that as it is.
Yeah.
This is how you get rid of your lockdown stress.
Oh, I needed that. You know what I might do actually?
That's
might
a bit
get-
rough, you can't leave that, it's a bit rough behind that, ain't it?
I'm going to get him to board right the way around to here,
Oh, there, yeah.
and then the rest above it can just be plaster. This is where we wave goodbye to Mickey Petherick, look. You alright?
Yep.
Lovely.
Who made all this mess?
It's
I like
agile
that
as a
one.
gazelle, isn't he? You can sometimes piggyback and dig them out if it's only just a little bit there, and then. But you wanted to show this, didn't you?
Oh, yeah.
Well, wait till he's. If the bottom's solid, I think we're alright. Yeah, the bottom's solid though, Sean. It's only the top half of it that's gone.
You might be able to face it off with a bit of timber.
Yeah,
Just-
we'll make do with what we've got. Yeah, it is woodworm that it's got wet.
Yeah.
That's where the roof's been coming through. But the bottom of it's solid, look.
Yeah.
No, I'm not having new beams. I'm not paying out for new beams. Right, well, everything's been cleared out upstairs. We managed to get that wall down without killing anyone. And got some of the plaster off the walls. All the rubble's been cleared out, so that's all gone now. Now it's just a case of waiting for the man to come and do the shot blasting. So all these lovely oak beams, they're going to come up like brand new, hopefully. And then next week we'll rip up the floorboards, get all those out, ready for the new ones, which are arriving in less than 2 weeks. And then after that, we need to get this tiled floor laid pretty quickly so that we can start cladding out the walls with insulation and boarding, ready for the panelling to go on. So for now, I think it's quite good progress. But I'm just going to go and see where Dad and Sean are, because they're disappeared next door to Dad's cottage. So we'll go and see what they're up to now. So what are you doing in here then?
Well, what it is, we've got this new fire from England.
Yeah.
And the fittings that come out the back are 28mm.
Is that not a French fitting then?
It's not a French fitting, but I found a fitting there that's what came from England originally. But they do one in the book, and it says 27.
Why?
Well, they do a 28mm pipe, so it must fit. Do you know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
We've determined we've screwed that in the back and it fits. We know that fits the fire, so I'm going to take this with me to Bricko.
Yeah.
And offer it up with their fittings and basically screw it on. And if it fits, we're in business.
So once I get to that, if I know that French fittings, I go all in it French stuff.
Well, you can't use English stuff in it, can you?
Well, I was going to, until the COVID come on. I was going to get all the stuff from England and post it.
Yeah.
But now...
That definitely fits, doesn't it?
See, the thing is, when you go down to 28mm in French,
yeah,
it's 27 it says, but they do a pipe, the pipe is 28mm.
Right, yeah.
So that fitting that 27 must, they don't do a 28mm fitting.
Right, okay.
It's a bit strange, but...
Must be as 28, but it probably is.
Yeah.
Have to check.
Maybe it's internal diameter they measure.
Yeah, the ones, it says the English one is the inside measurement, but the French do the outside measurement.
Right.
So...
Right, it probably makes more sense to use the outside measurement, doesn't it, to be honest?
But it's not a 28mm pipe then, is it?
No.
Yeah. It's less.
Yeah.
27, but anyhow.
Yeah.
We'll
marry something up together.
Yeah.
Yeah. If I get down to that, see, they do a fitting that runs down to 20.
So where are you going to run your heating pipes? Up the chimney and into upstairs, or?
No, come round there, Michael.
Yeah.
Down the cellar. And put a pump in the cellar.
Oh, right, okay. 2
pipes down, round the corner and down into the cellar.
Yeah. So you're about to run one into my bathroom, which is...
Yeah, well, I'm going up to what I'm doing. There's got to be one on that back wall, right next to your bathroom, so I can draw straight through the wall.
I want a big cast iron radiator in the bathroom to keep it nice and dry.
And upstairs there's a radiator on that back
and then
wall.
probably one upstairs in the corner of the room.
Yeah.
Just as we can go through the wall straight from the
Yeah.
corner of your bedroom, can't we?
That's
Put a
it.
pipe
So
in there. I'll probably 2 radiators, and I'll have the Arga in the kitchen, and that'll keep the place really warm. Yeah. So 2 radiators. I won't be using much. Yeah. Well, then it's free, then, isn't it?
Yeah.
Heating, because you can put
logs. No, it's not on. I'm keeping the boiler going. So it's not free.
Well, I've got to pay you per week for me hot water from 2 radiators. So what needs to be done next door now then? Until it's been, I think that's it until it's shot blasted, isn't it?
Yeah, until it's shot blasted. You clear all the bottom out.
Yeah.
And the trailer.
Yep. So we get him to shot blast all the beams.
Shot blast, yes.
And then the floorboards will be arriving within 2 weeks.
So once you've done the shot blast, then we can rip the floorboards up.
Well, we'll do that then, yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then till they turn up, we can start laying them.
So yeah, perfect.
What I'll do, I'll take my level up, the dumpy level, and what it does, it makes a ring round the room. It's a continuous ring.
Yeah.
And you can put your mark on the wall, exactly where the dead level then.
Yeah.
Then
we'll just chop them all up wherever they need to be chopped up.
Yeah, we can get them level here now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sounds like a plan.
So what about Monday then for
Monday
laying the floor?
Oh.
Because I can't build the Arga when the bits arrive. I can't build the Arga until the floor's
in. We've got to
in.
get the floor up first Monday.
We'll take the floor up upstairs,
Yeah,
and then
that's what I mean.
after that's all ripped up, we can
Do the floor.
lay the floor down.
Cleaned out.
Same exactly what you've done here. That's what I want, like that.
Yeah. They're different. They cleaned up. Yeah. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
And then they want
Varnishing,
not varnish or whatever.
linseed them or something. Yeah.
Something to seal them.
Yeah. You can mix stuff up. There's loads of recipes on the internet.
I want to do some with the back. I want to seal that so that because dust don't stick to them. Then you can just brush them off.
Cool. Right then. Well, it should all be happening quite quick in there.
Yeah, once you get that ceiling.
Right, hopefully the kitchen will be done by Christmas. I don't know about the bedroom. It might be plasterboarded out. We need jointing and decorating and whatever, but at least I'll be able to cook in the kitchen in Christmas. Christmas, I reckon. Hopefully.
I'll put my chair at the table, Michael.
Yeah.
I'm in.
Yep.
Table already, yeah.
We might be eating it outside, but I didn't grab turkey.
Oh, I'd have dining table in there.
Yeah.
Thing is, I haven't got to worry about too much about decorating and stuff in there really, because it's all just going to. I'm going to leave it as oak for as long as to see if I can get used to it, and if I don't like it, I'll paint it. But it might look quite nice. It might be too much oak overload, but we'll see.
Be surprised once you fit it out with all your stuff.
Yeah, it might look really nice. All right, then. So shop blasting over the weekend, and then we'll get back in there Monday then.
Monday with the floor, take the floor out.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
Very good. And cut.